Want to speak real Arabic from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ArabicPod101.com.
بحب قهوتي سادة. I like my coffee without sugar or milk. For the word قهوة, the actual standard Arabic word is قهوة. قهوة with the letter قاف. But to easen it up, to make it easier to pronounce, we use the letter a. قهوة. And sometimes for non-Arabic speakers, even the letter a is kind of difficult to pronounce. That's what makes it a little difficult. دايما بكون مستعجلة الصبح. I'm always in a hurry in the morning. For the word صبح, lots of people cannot pronounce the letter sa. And sometimes you mix it with sa. But morning, صبح, is with a sa. صبح. الزنجبيل كويس عشان الكحة. Ginger is good for cough. And if you put ginger with lemon, it's even better for cough. تحب تسمع أغنية إيه? What kind of song would you like to listen to? I think it's mostly difficult because of the غ. أنا مشغولة قوي النهاردة. I'm quite busy today. And I think it's also because of the غ. أنا زمان كنت بربي سلحفة. Did I say it right? Yeah. I used to take care of a turtle. عندي امتحان بكرة. Tomorrow I have an exam. نهاية الاحتلال البريطاني في مصر كان سنة 1956. Termination of the British occupation in Egypt was 1956. بيتميز الربيع في مصر بأنه مليان عواصف رملية. Spring in Egypt is known to have lots of sandstorms. Maybe ربيع is difficult because of the ع, so say ربيع. بلبس جاكيت خفيف في الخريف. This is a tongue twister. بلبس جاكيت خفيف في الخريف. I wear a light jacket in fall. Can you say it 10 times? بلبس جاكيت خفيف في الخريف. أقدر أحفظ حوالي 50 كلمة عربي جديدة في اليوم. I can memorize around 50 new Arabic words a day. The first phrase is أقدر أحفظ حوالي 50 كلمة عربي جديدة في اليوم. I can memorize around 50 new Arabic words a day. أقدر أحفظ حوالي 50 كلمة. It's too long. Even I cannot memorize it. That sounds tough. Good luck. أقدر أتابع أفلام عربي من غير ترجمة. I can watch Arabic movies without subtitles. The next one is أقدر أتابع أفلام عربي من غير ترجمة. I can watch Arabic movies without subtitles. I think it's amazing to watch Arabic movies without subtitles because, as you all know, Arabic has a standard Arabic and dialect Arabic, and they're so different. So usually all movies are made in the dialect. So if you can listen to the dialect and understand so well without the subtitles, that means that you're very, very good at Arabic. أنا بتعلم عربي لوحدي. I'm learning Arabic all by myself. أنا بتعلم عربي لوحدي. I'm learning Arabic all by myself. And this is amazing because Arabic is very difficult. So if you decide to learn it all by yourself, then you're a very smart person. أنا فهمت كل اللي أنت قلته. I completely understood everything you said. أنا فهمت كل اللي أنت قلته. I completely understood everything you said. If you can understand native speakers without missing anything out, then you're doing a great job, I suppose. أنا أخدت سنة واحدة بس لغاية ما بقيت بتكلم بطلاقة. It took me only 1 year to become fluent. أنا أخدت سنة واحدة بس لغاية ما بقيت أتكلم بطلاقة. It took me only 1 year to become fluent. And this is amazing, and you can only achieve that by having lots of Egyptian friends you can speak with every day. So you can easily learn Egyptian Arabic fluently. You can speak it fluently in only 1 year or even less. العربي ممتع وسهل في التعليم. Arabic is fun and easy to learn. العربي ممتع وسهل في التعليم. Arabic is fun and easy to learn. And of course, Arabic is fun and easy to learn if you're doing it with us, Arabic Pod 101. أنا مش بس بعرف عربي. أنا بتكلم شوية لغات تانية برضو. Apart from knowing Arabic, I can speak a few other languages as well. أنا مش بس بعرف أتكلم عربي، ده أنا بعرف كمان أتكلم شوية لغات تانية. Apart from knowing Arabic, I can also speak a few other languages as well. For example, English. شكراً ليك، بس هي في الحقيقة مش لغتي الأم. Thank you, but it's not my native language actually. شكراً ليك، بس هي في الحقيقة مش لغتي الأم. Thank you, but it's not actually my native language. أنا بعرف أتكلم عربي بأكتر من لهجة. I can speak Arabic in more than one dialect. أنا بعرف أتكلم عربي بأكتر من لهجة. I can speak Arabic in more than one dialect. For example, I can say شكو ماكو حبيبي. It means how are you or what's up, my love or حبيبي in Iraqi dialect. أنا بعرف أقرأ عربي كمان. I can also read Arabic. The next phrase is أنا كمان بعرف أقرأ عربي. I can also read Arabic. And if you would like to practice Arabic more, you will most certainly find your favorite books in Arabic translated. معك كل الحق. I couldn't agree with you more. معك كل الحق. I couldn't agree with you more. In the Arabic version, literally it says, you have all the right. أنا مش متأكدة. I'm not sure. أنا مش متأكدة. I'm not sure. طبعاً. Of course. طبعاً. Of course. You can also say أكيد. أكيد. Indeed. ميتهيألي كده. I guess so. ميتهيألي كده. I guess so. I'm not so sure, but I guess it's this way. ميتهيألي. You can drop the كده, you can put it متهيألي or متهيألي كده. كنت لسه هقول كده. I was just going to say that. كنت لسه هقول كده. I was about to say that. You can also say كانت على طرف لساني. كانت على طرف لساني. It was on the tip of my tongue. It was on the tip of my tongue. Right here. ممكن. Maybe. ممكن. Maybe. You can say ممكن متهيألي كده. Maybe, I guess so.
Want to speak real Arabic from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ArabicPod101.com.
شكلك حلو النهاردة. You look great today. You look great. Awesome. Like shining. عشان أعمل chat مع صحابي المصريين. To chat with my Egyptian friends. For example, you can say عايزة أتعلم عربي عشان أعمل chat مع صحابي المصريين. I want to learn Arabic to chat with my Egyptian friends. Egyptians are so friendly, they're so nice, but in the social media they usually use Franco Arabic, which basically is the English alphabets mixed with letters. So if you want to learn Arabic specifically to chat with your friends, probably you should learn the Franco way of writing Arabic, which is probably a way more easier than learning Arabic in the Arabic alphabets, in the Arabic script. الواي-فاي ببلاش. الواي-فاي ببلاش. Is the Wi-Fi free? Or you can ask ممكن واي-فاي. ممكن واي-فاي. Can I have a Wi-Fi? أغير الخط اللي منين. أغير الخط لي somewhere منين. Where do I change for somewhere. For example, أغير الخط لمحطة الأهرام منين. Where do I change for الأهرام station. In Egypt there's only 3 lines now. Shobra line, Giza line, and El Ahram line. So it's very unlikely that you will get lost. But if you don't change in a certain station, it will be very difficult for you to go back and retake the train. So make sure to memorize this. أغير الخط اللي منين. أغير الخط اللي منين. أنا مش. As we said earlier, مش means not or don't. So this means I am not. For example, you can say أنا مش عيان. I am not sick. Or for example, أنا مش زعلان. For a male, that means I'm not upset. And أنا مش زعلانة. For a female, I am not upset. And أنا مش عيان. For a male, it means I am not sick. And for a female, it's أنا مش عيانة. Also, in the negative sentence, you don't have to say أنا. You don't have to say I am. You can omit it. So you can say مش زعلان, مش تعبان, مش هروح, I am not going, without saying أنا, and you will be perfectly understood. مش عارف طريق الرجوع للفندق. I cannot find my way back to the hotel. You can also say مش عارف أرجع للفندق. I cannot go back to the hotel. So if you need to stop someone to describe you the way, you can say أنا قاعد في فندق شيراتون. I'm staying at the Sheraton Hotel, for example. وأنا مش لاقي طريق الرجوع للفندق. Or مش عارف أرجع للفندق. I cannot find my way back to the hotel. So ممكن تساعدني. Can you help me? المغني ده مشهور جدا. The singer is very popular. For example, عمرو دياب مشهور جدا. عمرو دياب is very popular. حبيبي يا نور العين يا شاغل. People might be amazed or probably will be amazed at how good you speak Arabic. So probably they will ask you اتعلمت عربي فين? where did you learn Arabic? And here you should say اتعلمت عربي مع arabicpod101.com. I learned Arabic with arabicpod101.com. Don't forget it. This one usually parents use a lot. محتاجين نتكلم. We need to talk. Or maybe before a breakup, you also use it. محتاجين نشوف ناس جديدة. We need to see other people.
التونة من أشهر المعلبات. Tuna is one of the most famous canned food. شكراً, which means thank you. شكراً على الهدية. Thank you for the present.
من الصبح وأنا عمالة أفكر في حل المشكلة دي. Since the morning, I've been thinking of a solution to this problem. The next word is probably a word you all know or get to know or learn when you first start Arabic. It's habibi, which means my love. We usually use it not only in a romantic way, but we also use it as a friendly or endearment kind of term. So you can say habibi to anyone. For example, okay habibi, ماشي حبيبي, ماشي حبيبي, قشطة حبيبي. حبيبي يا نور العين يا ساكن خيالي عايشق بقالي سنين.
The opposite of it, لا. لا, which means no. So one more. هل تريد قهوة? Do you want coffee? No. لا. And you can say شكراً. Thank you.
اديني قلم لو سمحت. Please give me a pen. يدي. أنا دايماً بستخدم sunblock قبل ما أخرج. I always use sunblock before I go out. Because it's too hot. It's too sunny.
أنا آسف, which means I'm sorry. For example, you can say أنا آسف على التأخير. I'm sorry I am late.
بحب أخرج أتمشى في الجنينة. Which means I like to go out for a walk in the park. وهو صغير كان بيسأل أسئلة كتيرة. When he was young, he used to ask lots of questions.
عذراً, انتظر لحظة, which means excuse me, wait a moment.
يدخل, to enter. أخبط على الباب قبل ما تدخل لو سمحت. Please knock before you enter.
So for example, if you're in a restaurant, you can do this simple hand sign, which is like this, and you say الحساب لو سمحت. الحساب لو سمحت. Could I have the check, please? النجدة, which means help. So for example, you can say لقد سرقت حقيبتي. My bag was stolen. النجدة, help.
النمر بيجري بسرعة جداً. Tigers run very fast. Well, I'm wearing almost yellow, like أنا امبارح نمت متأخر قوي. Yesterday I slept very late. Sadly.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.